Hello traders, today is the 4th of October 2023. What an amazing day, guys. What a beautiful trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market dollar CAD. That was a pretty straightforward as explained to my trader this morning. We had a counter short trade, the first counter short trade when the market respected this level. We had a beautiful short trade. We were expecting market might going to continue, but later on, as I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. The market broken at the New York session. This one and my trader are still holding long. What an amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was the key important thing is if you look ahead this morning, you can see the previous trade we had. This is a pretty straightforward breakout as mentioned here based on the analysis after the breakout pullback short bank few pp's, and that was the trade we had yesterday. And then afterwards you can see the market developed consolidation, and after that, as I explained to my trader, first priority look pullback, and if you don't see the pullback, then let the market break and give us the confirmation around this level. So you can see here the market broken. After the market broken, and you can see a market nicely retest, give us the high probability trade. And if you look at the momentum was bullish, that was a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So you guys, you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.